Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEWA70, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by double press here on the right side of my device on the power key button, we can see that the quick launch to the camera application is turned on. If you want to disable this feature, just launch the settings application, and after that tap here to the gestures and keys section. Then just here you'll see quickly open camera switcher. Just click here to turn it off, and now just by double press the power key we can see that we'll just disable this feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.